Hello guys! It's a beautiful day and today I am going to share to you how I made this kokedama with the Lucky Plant Jade using also some twigs that I collected at the back garden. We are going to make a succulent holder made of twigs. So instead of using twines or thread, I'm going to use these twigs to hold and to secure my kokedama with the jade plant. In doing this, when you start, you need patience because the twigs and branches are a bit stubborn. But it's not really difficult. You just need to be patient when you start to form your circle. I slightly use my hot glue gun because I needed it for just a little. I don't want to use that much because I want to um, look it natural. I made some little ones. These are for those little ones, little plants that I already made. I have also prepared some videos about my little kokedamas. And it will be soon be posted. So please stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I am posting new videos, you will be notified and you won't miss it. So by doing this kokedama holder, we have to put something to suspend it so it will hold the kokedama inside. So as you see, I'm making the base. I don't have really a perfect pattern on this, but I'm just going with the flow. Wherever the twig will lead me to start and to finish. It's very simple, guys. You can do it yourself. So now here's the beautiful Lucky Plant Jade, and I have my plastic bag here. I discovered that it would be easier for me to use plastic to mold my base for the kokedama. So I'm putting the clay on it, the clay soil that I got from my garden. I didn't need to buy. I have everything in the surrounding next to me. So I have to add the moisture so it would be easy to mold it. A lot of people who is doing kokedama are using mixed soil, but for me, I think I prefer to separate my clay and make it as the base and the coverage, and inside I'm gonna put my mixed soil. So the roots of my plants will have the pure good soil. So in my soil, I mixed it with, I have a I made a mixture of my own soil. I have mixed with it the banana peels and the eggshells. As I mentioned before on my other videos, I have a video separate showing you how to use your eggshells and your banana peels to make a very good soil mix for your plants, for your succulents, for your gardening. It would also, it can also serve as a fertilizer. So I found it, I really realized that it would be easier to do it like this, using the rolling pin to mold your base. So I am making now my circle base, and for sure, you have to measure it. Like you have to see to it that it would fit on that basket that I made for it. So I'm molding now the circle that will hold the mixed soil and the jade plant. It's huge, so it's not easy. So if I use my hand and I didn't find this way using the rolling pin, it would give me more time to do it. But doing in that way, I found the easier and the shorter way of molding my kokedama base. So I'm putting and securing the fishing line nylon, and now I'm putting the moss upside down. So this is the moss where my molded clay will sit on it. You know, guys, when you are doing it yourself, it's so fun. I'm loving it. So therapeutic. So it's not easy to put it on, but I manage anyway. Now I'm going to put in my mixed soil. So you see, you have a loose soil inside. So I'm sure that my kokedama will, the plant, the jade plant will be able to breathe, not be choked by the clay. It's just my thought. Anyway, there's no right or wrong on doing a kokedama. It's about how you make it. To make sure that your plant will have a room for its roots to grow on. Don't forget to add moisture so your moss will stick on it. I love the color of the green moss. And this one I got it from a shady spot, so it's more darker than the others that are exposed to the sun. I love the combination of the light and the dark color, the contrast. And also I love to work with my bare hand because I could feel the texture, the moisture. And working with bare hand, I really believe that there's a flow of energy between you, the planter, and the plant. So you're touching them directly with your skin. You're giving your energy to the plant that you're planting, and they feel you. By the way, jade plant is a very good plant, indoor plant, and it's a the Chinese belief is that it's a money plant. It attracts good luck. So I'm securing it now with the fishing line, nylon, and it's ready. And don't forget to put a piece of plastic on the base to support more the moisture of your succulent. By the way, you're not going to always water it. You can water your kokedama twice a week in a minimum watering because kokedama keeps its moisture inside. Those moss that covers it, it helps a lot for the plant to have the moisture all the time. Kokedama is very easy to take care, guys. There it is. Isn't it beautiful? You have your money plant in front of you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. More power to everyone. Blessings.